Hey guys, it's Chrissy. Welcome back to another video. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video and comment your thoughts down below. So as you can see, we will be doing some Roblox t-shirts. Going right into it, I'm typing in font bold. Okay, now font bold will pop up, but that's not it. It's font bold, B-O-L-T. Click the first thing that you see me clicking right now, and then it's going to take you to this website right here. This is the website. I wanted to get the exact type of Roblox font, which I feel like the top one that I chose is pretty much the same as the Roblox font, and then you could type pretty much anything that you want right there. And then I chose the color, which is pink, because my daughter wanted pink and stuff, so I just went ahead with the pink text. Now the background will be white, which is okay, but you are able to change the background color and everything, as you can see right here. And they have several different like edits and effects to the text that you can add, but I just kept it normal because I was going to do everything else in Canva. So this is the font. This is how it turned out. I went ahead and saved it, pulled it up, saving it for later. Okay, moving right into Canva. I use the pro version, so a lot of this stuff, if you don't have the pro version, you will have to get. So I just pulled up and used a t-shirt, and as you can see, I am logging into all of our accounts so I can like screenshot our characters. This is my daughter's character that she play with. Well, this is one of them. So I'm just showing y'all like a few of our characters that we be playing with, and I'm just going to be like logging in, screenshotting them, and then saving the pictures and then using them for later, because I wanted to make sure we had like our characters that we play with on our t-shirts. So I'm just taking everybody's pictures and everything, and I wanted to go to like a background that's kind of like dark, or you know, for this one I had to move to another background because the hair is black, so it didn't give me like the effect that I wanted. So I went to like a white background, screenshot it, and then remove the background later. So when you go back into Canva, you have to upload all of your images. As you can see, I uploaded all of mine, and I'm just going to be assembling everything. If you want to do yours like mine, then you will just, you would just follow this tutorial. So I went and removed the background of all of these. Like I told y'all in my previous video that I did before, if you do not have the pro version, then you won't be able to do some of the stuff like removing the background and using certain text and stuff, but you are able to still accomplish this simply by getting the eraser app, or some of them eraser apps that they have on iOS and Android. But I'm just getting all of our characters, and the shirts will be black, so I just wanted to see how everything looked, and I just went ahead and made the background of this stuff black, and I just assembled everything, cropped the pictures and everything like that, and that's put everything where I wanted it to go. So that's pretty much what you're going to be seeing me do. Another tip is make sure that you are bringing things that you don't, if you don't want stuff on top of each other, make sure you are sending it to the back. Always send it to the back or send it backwards, layer it. I went more in detail with that on my other video, so make sure you guys check out that video, just for another take, like in depth, because I went in depth on that first video. And so yeah, I did the same method with this t-shirt. I didn't use like a Cricut or one of those little machines that you make iron shirts. I literally used a iron that you iron your clothes with, and I did use a different transfer paper than I did the first time. However, this transfer paper, I just feel like it worked. It worked for what it was gonna do, okay? But I just don't feel like it held up as well as the pen and gear one that I had in my previous video. So yeah, it works. I just feel like it just looked better whenever I did the black shirts last year with the other video. So you can make sure you check out that video and everything and all the details. So right now I'm just switching up all the fonts, seeing what font looks the best, and I pretty much am going back and forth with the background color just to make sure everything is aligning and looking right, because with it being black, I can't really see as good. So I have to switch it into the white, black, just to see how everything is looking. That's why you see me going back and forth with the white and black background. So I am making the birthday girl shirt, which is my daughter. I'm making her shirt, and she won a Roblox theme. We got all our characters on here aligned and everything like that. And I'm just pulling up different things that I want to add, like some balloons. I wanted to add like a controller, like some gamer girl things, just because that's all in the theme and your girl love to be in theme, okay? But on some of these pictures that I'm using, I have to remove the background just so it won't be, you know, looking crazy and stuff. You have to remove the background unless you just want that background on your shirt. Me, I don't want no background on my shirt. Like, I want it to be black and just have everything that I'm putting on here like that. So I remove the background, and I'm just organizing these balloons and everything like that. And you guys, I went in this project. This is like a DIY project, so you have to go back and forth and see what looks good for you and different things like that. So if you guys like the text or anything like that, you know, you can just follow along how I'm doing mine. But it's all about being creative and just seeing what works for you and what you like. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what I was doing. I kept switching things up. I was adding confetti. I was adding different text because I was like, okay, well, when I go back to the black background, this don't really look that good. So let me go ahead and switch it up. And let me go ahead and look for some controllers. Let me add some more stuff, you know. So that's pretty much what I was doing. And since Roblox is like a gamer thing and stuff like that, I wanted to be in theme with adding controller, headphones, all of that stuff. And with it being a birthday, I added confetti and balloons in the text. So it can just all flow and all go, okay? But like I said, I will insert a picture at the end of the transfer paper that I used this time. I told you guys it works, and you will see what they look like up close, or you can just refer back to when the video first started. But it works, and the shirts did come out looking nice. I will insert some pictures and clips at the end of everything, and just make sure you guys can see and get the whole drift of everything like that. One thing about Canva that I like is certain images you can change the picture on there. Like, you can change the color. I don't know what, y'all cannot talk, but you can change the color of different things. So a lot of this stuff, it can just go in theme with how I want it to be, okay? And the colors I want it to be. So that's pretty much what I was going for, like a purplish pink, you know, because that's what she wanted, but also just trying to be in theme with the whole thing like that. And so on this particular video, I just knew what I was going to do because I wanted all of our characters on there. I already knew what I was going to do. I didn't have to do too much, like looking up videos or nothing like that. I just pretty much just went with it, okay? Because I already did the previous video, and I was just like, okay, well, I already know what to do. Like I said, I went and added in a lot of stuff, and I added in the Roblox symbol, as you can see me moving that around and everything like that. And I didn't have to make several different shirts. Thing about Canva is you can click the plus sign right there, and it's just gonna duplicate the image to another page. And so all I did was just change the name off the shirt, change the name, add more text so it can say Roblox at the top so you can know the theme. And then I just added everyone's name, like dad of the birthday girl, sister of the birthday girl, mommy of the birthday girl. And one shirt that I didn't show y'all was their grandmother, because I made her shirt like the day of the party. I actually made all these shirts the day of the party, but I did the design and everything like early that morning. And then I made her shirt like when she came over there. But I was like originally just doing ours. That's why I'm showing you ours right here. And then I made hers last minute, like when we was getting ready to go type thing. So it really don't take too much time. If if you already have like all of this in place, you just change the names like you see me doing here. And so this is how everything turned out, you guys. And I'm just doing like a quick look over everything, making sure everything is how it needs to be. And then when it came to my daughter, I added like more stuff, like some stars on hers, brought that to the back so it won't be on top of the characters, and just aligned it to everything. Make her shirt look a little bit different from everybody else's, but it all still like coordinate and still is kind of like the same. And so yeah, as you can see, hers is different though. And I just play with the colors and the font and the background, and just wanted to see how it would look on a black shirt. That's why I made this black. And one thing about Canva, you can download it and print your stuff off from here. But I just downloaded it, saved it to my computer, and then printed it out on that paper. And I used the HP inkjet printer. So you guys, I printed a number 8 to go on the back of her shirt. But this is how everything turned out. I will insert some clips and pictures at the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like these type of videos and you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.